I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. Hey, happy Saturday. How y'all doing? It's been a good one so far. Yesterday was payday, so I went to Walmart this morning. Oh, let me get my list. Hang on just a second. Okay, so I set my alarm early because I really wanted to get to Walmart a little earlier today and just kind of get my day going. So, but they beat the alarm. The alarm was set for 5:50. They woke me up at 5:45. So when time changes, I'm going to be ahead of the game, y'all. Thanks to these guys. That's tonight. Oh, yeah. All right. So anyway, so I got up, I went to Walmart, and I made a Walmart video. I did a shop with me. So what's today? Saturday? Oh, so that comes out the same time as this video. So we'll have a shop with me. Then I've just got odds and ends to do today. I got laundry going. No sheets this time, but I got laundry going. I'm not going to do my meat meal prep. I have enough, so I'm actually going to wait till next weekend. But I did last night. I went to Sam's and I bought 4 rotisserie chickens. And so I spent $100 at Sam's. However, that was not why. Because I also had to buy I had to renew my membership, too. So anyway, so I went to Sam's last night. And I it took me about an hour to get all 4 chickens plucked, to get them all deboned. And usually I set the skin aside and do something different with it. But because I don't really necessarily like that skin texture in with my meat. But last night, after I gave each dog, they each got 2 little pieces of skin. It ain't a ton, about like that. So about two about like that size. So then I got it pulled apart and everything. Then I went ahead and put the skin in with it. So we're going to see. So if you hear me whining about it, you'll know. So that, yeah, I have enough beef to last till next weekend. So I want to just kind of just not do it this week. But on my list, I have just my usual stuff. I'm doing 1 load of laundry, no sheets. I ain't saying I'm going to get this excess stuff done. I was supposed to do baseboards last week. Need to clean the doorknobs and switches. It's just me, but yeah. I'm supposed to dust inside my precious moment hutch. Organize my TV stand. Well, there ain't nothing to organize. So I just got all these off of, a organization cleaning type list. But I got to make creamies, salads, and then a couple other things. So that's my Saturday. But listen, I have a full video on how to make this. This is my breakfast sandwich. I have a channel I have a playlist. My channel's based on playlists. I have a playlist called Keto Chow. If you want to see how I make things with Keto Chow, go to that playlist. So this morning, what I have is, you guys, this is my favorite. And I've stocked up. I've got 1 extra, and I probably might buy another one before they run out. It's one of the fall flavors. My 2 favorite fall flavors is pecan sticky bun and maple waffle. Whenever I make this, I feel like I am at McDonald's with a McGriddle. Amazing. But anyway, just so you know, I know I say it sometimes. I'm going to say it once in a while. In the description of my video, there's a link and you can get 10% off your order from Keto Chow. And I get a little 10% kickback. But what is this? This is, to make 2, it's half of a serving of Keto Chow protein powder, half of a serving, 1 egg mixed together. Then I add enough water to make it about like the consistency of pancakes, maybe a little thicker. And then this time I sprinkled the bacon pieces onto the tops of these. Hang on, let me show you. So see that right there? That's bacon pieces. And then I bought these little round things that you can cook stuff in. So I made those in there. So 2 of those. That's one. Okay, let me rewind. That what I just described to you makes 1 serving of 2 of these. So hang on. I'm distracted by the food. All right. 1/2 of a serving of keto chow, whatever flavor, but this is the maple waffle. 1 egg and a splash of water makes 2. So 1, 2. It makes 2 of these little buns. So I actually did a double so that way I can have some for tomorrow. But if you just want it for today, 1/2 serving keto chow, 1 egg and some water or egg whites. Thin it out. And then I did have egg in there, and then some of my fat-free cheese. So that is what I have for breakfast. You don't have to buy the round things. Oh, and an apple. Because I went to Walmart today. Payday, I go to Walmart, I get an apple. You don't have to buy the round things to cook yours in. I did it so many times without. It's just, you know, I'm doing it for y'all, so I'd like it to look a little pretty. But that's what I got right now. I'll see you later today. So I have just destroyed the top of my stove. Not really destroyed, but this is what I did. I had a family pack of pork steaks and then 4 of those chopa something steaks. I pan fried them, and after they were still not quite done, then I cooked them all, and then I cranked this baby up to like 7 or 8, and we pan seared everything. So now let's go eat and talk. Hang on. So what have we done since I talked to you last? Well, I only had 1 load of laundry. It's funny, if I do it if I do my clothes every week, then I only have 1 load. But it's so weird. If I do them every other week, I have 3 loads. I do not understand that logic. But anyway, so this, right now I'm having me one of those chopa pork steaks. I don't remember what it's from, but anyway, hopefully that's done enough. If I come out dead later, y'all, it's a pork steak. It's not supposed to be pink. But maybe what I'll do is I'm going to cut it into slices, and then I'm going to microwave it for like 1 minute, just to kind of help make sure it all gets cooked. But actually, I'm going to go ahead and cut it into the bite-sized pieces. The reason being, then I don't have to dirty up another knife, because I don't want to use this knife and get it against the not quite done. Oh yeah, that's definitely not done. Get it against the not done pork, and then have to come back and use it against the now done pork. So this way, if I microwave it, if I cut it into bite-sized pieces, then microwave it, we'll be better off. So I'll be right back. Look at the smoke, steam coming off that. Ooh, Nelly. I did it for 2 minutes. So I don't ever eat my pork. Well, I don't usually eat my meat cold. Hang on, I got to fix my table here. I do my ground beef, but typically whenever I go to eat my meat, I have microwaved it for 2 minutes. And so this is good. I've microwaved this for 2 minutes, and it looks much better. Let's find a piece. There you go. That's 2 minutes. So we're having this. Oh yeah, so what have I done? So I got my load of laundry done. Got my salads done. I cut up my veggies and I made a video out of it. And I used my table or my rolling island. So that video will come out at some point. What else? Let me just think. Oh man. So I didn't make a video of the pork steaks. But I made a video of the Walmart. Made a video of this. I got a couple of things I got to do later. And, yeah. So anyway, I don't want to talk y'all to death because I want later Terri to have the option. It's almost 1 o'clock. So supper Terri might just be eating a creamy. Hey there, it is supper time. Tonight we're having shrimp and chicken garlic 4-cheese Alfredo. I had some, it's a shrimp that you buy when, like with the ring, and you want to dip it. Like the party shrimp. What's that thing called? Shrimp. Hang on. Wait a minute, I lost my spoon. Oh, here it is. It's a cocktail shrimp. Just hang with me, y'all. I'll figure words out. It's cocktail shrimp. I pulled off the tails, and this is the chicken. I don't know, one of my chicken burgers. So both of them were already cooked. They just need to heat it up. So I stuck them in my skillet, heated it up, squirted in some garlic, some minced garlic, because I have the squeezy kind. And then I poured in some Great Value. It was the 4-cheese Alfredo. Yeah, so that's why I call it chicken and shrimp, garlic 4-cheese Alfredo. It's pretty obvious name for it, don't you think? All right, so I'm trying to let it cool. So, Y'all know I'm not big on fish. I know I need it. That's why I bought it in the first place. So it's as good as fish can be to me. This is, oh yeah, butterscotch chicken peanut butter. Chicken. Butterscotch with chocolate and peanut butter. Y'all, I'm so squirrely today. So, got a lot done. I'm glad. So now I just got to finish uploading videos and editing videos. And I'm going to watch some of y'all's YouTube videos because now I can kind of sit and I can listen to y'all while I work on mine. So, all right. I love you guys, and I will see you. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Jesus and Judy Day, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.